Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to check or monitor traffic from different visitors from different web browser in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to check traffic from different web browser. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP statistic. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see statistic. So click on it. So I already installed this plugin. So we are in our view and then scroll down, you see multiple option and then you see browser usage, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge. You see all detail and then you see view browser usage. So open it. So we are in browser section and then you see Chrome, visitor count, percent share, Safari, Firefox, Edge. Now you see visitor count 1151. If you want you can view detail. Now you see detail, version, visitor count, percent share. So this is our browser version 127104, visitor count. You see all detail for all browser in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.